Namaste everyone. So the question is, what is represented by the given figures? Okay, so two figures are given to us. Let's see all the options one by one and also the figures, and we will figure out the correct option, right? So as you can see in the options, there are like two functions, sin x, cos x, correct? So that means it is relatable to these two functions. So let's see the first one figure, and you can see the blue line, it start from the position 0 0, correct, where x is 0 and y both are 0, and it reaches at the top where y is 2, correct. So as you know that a standard sin x start at 0. If we talk about the sin x, so it start at 0 and peak at 1, correct, but it is not 1, it is 2, right, like twice of 1. So we can say this graph represent 2 sin x, correct. And as you can see, it completed a full cycle. This is the half cycle, so it will represent pi, and if it completed the full cycle, so it will represent 2 pi. That will be equal to 2 into the value of pi, 3.14. So it will be equal to 6.28 approximate. Now let's see the second graph. So in the second graph, as you can see, the red line starts from 0 2, correct. That means at x axis it is 0, but at y axis it is 2, right. And it completed cycle same as 2 pi, right, start from here, so it ends here, right. So that means a complete cycle, and this one represent 2 cos x. Okay, so now let's see the options. First one is upper panel represent sin square x, while lower one is cos square x. So that we already see, it is not sin square x or cos square x, it is 2 sin x and 2 cos x. So first one is incorrect. Let's see the second option. Lower panel represents the slope of the upper curve. Okay, so let's see. In the calculus, the slope is a function, is its derivative. It's like dy dx, right? So if we see dy dx like derivative of 2 sin x, so you will got 2 cos x. That means option 2 is the correct option. Let's see the option third. Upper panel represent sin 2x, while lower one is cos 2x. So like 2 inside the function, so that will affect the frequency, or we can say period, right. So this is also incorrect. Now fourth option is multiplication of y, that is function value in the two panels, give 2 for any value of x. Okay, so let's see, like at x is equal to 0, for the first graph y is equal to 0, right, and for the second graph at x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2, correct. And when you multiply 0 into 2, you will get 0, not 2, right. So that means option 4 is also incorrect. So these graph, these represent, first one represent 2 sin x, second one 2 cos x, and lower panel represent the slope of the upper curve. That is the correct option. I hope you like the video. Please hit a thumbs up, press the bell icon and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.